A detector the size of a frying pan could track U.S. stealth planes using Starlink, China announces. How the system works. Chinese researchers have found an innovative way to use the SpaceX Starlink satellite constellation to detect invisible airplanes. According to Chinese media, this has been achieved by efficiently detecting the shadow of an object between the detector and the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the satellites, reports Interesting Engineering. The team behind the discovery used a DJI Phantom 4 Pro drone to simulate an invisible airplane. This drone was chosen because it has roughly the same radar cross-section as an American F-22. If true, the experiment, conducted off the coast of Guangdong in the South China Sea, could revolutionize stealth aircraft detection. The Chinese government's State Radio Monitoring Center oversaw the experiment, and the results were reviewed before publication. Stealth aircraft, such as the F-22, are designed to reduce the reflection of radar waves through clever geometric shapes and paints that absorb radar waves. This combination of technologies reduces the size of objects on radar equipment, masking their true nature. The basic idea is that when an aircraft flies through the gap between the Starlink satellites and the ground antennas, it can cause disruption to the satellite's electromagnetic waves, which could affect normal communication signals. The team found that if this disruption can be detected and analyzed, it could be used to detect and track stealth aircraft. Starlink was launched in 2019. Today, SpaceX has built a massive constellation comprising more than 6,000 satellites. Starlink's signals are encrypted, and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk does not provide services to Chinese users. The Chinese team claims it can build a receiver using affordable, easily obtainable electronic components. The antenna is mounted on a rotating base, allowing it to track the satellite as it moves across the sky. Starlink satellites emit high-frequency radio signals to provide internet connections with speeds of up to 220 megabits per second. However, this complex electromagnetic environment was not taken into account when stealth airplanes were first developed. Currently, the radar antenna is only the size of a piñata, and the drones in the experiment flew at relatively low altitudes. Therefore, the new technology cannot yet be used for military applications. If you found this information interesting, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge technology.